Yes, now Christine, since you've got the chance to meet our dolphins up close and personal, can you please tell to our audience up there, are you excited? Yes, and meeting a dolphin for the very first time, can you please tell them once again, are you scared? Are you afraid of these dolphins? No, very good and very brave. But just in case, Christine, whatever happens to you, why don't you just say goodbye to your loved ones out there? Say bye, Mom, Dad. Very good. Well, just kidding, folks. In fact, the dolphins are really friendly. Now, Christine, all you have to do now is just kneel down beside Trainer Renz right over here. Kneel down, reach out, and give our dolphin dog a friendly pat on the head. Now, you can also try touching the tongue and the teeth to see how gentle the dolphins really are. Now, you don't have to worry, they don't bite. They just swallow everything whole. And of course, just a fish to start off that new fish. Just drop the fish in head first. Just like that. Alright, well folks, we're a little bit short of trainers down here, and we've asked Christine's help to give our dolphins a nice